Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the door hinge on a Hoover tumble dryer. If the door hinge on your Hoover tumble dryer is broken, damaged, or suffering from excessive wear and tear, it will need to be replaced to keep your machine running smoothly and to prevent future damage. Thankfully, it's a very easy fix. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver with a T20 head. And of course, you'll need a new hinge, and we've included a link to these in the description below. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. To remove the door hinge, you need to take off the door and hinge by undoing the two T20 screws. To take the door hinge out of the door, you need to separate the two sides of the door assembly. To do that, you need to remove all the screws, again using the T20 screwdriver. You can then go ahead and remove the Phillips screw that holds the door catch in place. With all the screws removed, you can now use your flathead screwdriver to gently separate the two pieces of the door and lift away. Now it's time to fit the new door hinge. To find the correct door hinge for your Hoover tumble dryer, you're going to need to know the model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the exact part for your particular appliance. Now, if you're not sure where to find the model number on your Hoover tumble dryer, check out our video here. That'll tell you everything you need to know. The old hinge on the Hoover tumble dryer came complete with these two white plastic bearings. Now, when you order your new hinge, it may not be sold with these. So do retain these two white plastic bearings and you can simply use them on your new hinge. With the new door hinge in place, you can now put the two pieces of the door together and re-screw in the door catch. You can then refit all the T20 screws around the edge of the inner door frame. To fit the new hinge and the door assembly, simply slot it into place on the cabinet and then refit the two T20 screws. So there we have it, one new door hinge fitted to this Hoover tumble dryer. Hopefully your machine is back up and running smoothly once more. Now, whilst you're here, why not check out this video on tumble dryer safety advice that'll help you to keep your appliance running smoothly and safely. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, maintenance advice, safety tips, repair guides, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.